Live your life within the.
Hi, Faith here. Good morning. So we've just had breakfast and we're about to head off to Sydney. Yes, we're going to Sydney for holiday and it's been a 2-day road trip. Well, today's the second day and we will be heading off in a bit.
A few moments later.
Reel me in to get it going. Open me up. Sweet talking like you mean it, but you're making it so complicated. I fucking hate it.
Hey guys, so still on the way to Sydney, but we stopped at this lookout to check out what the view is like, and it's really beautiful. I'm not sure what the name is yet, but I'll put it on the screen once I find the sign. This is so beautiful. God is amazing.
Every time I get too close, you push me away. Don't wanna stay, telling me you don't want any obligations.
It's funny how there's some padlocks here as well. There's one here and there's one on this side as well, and a few on the other side.
You hate them. Don't call me just cause you're lonely. You know you're killing me slowly. No, maybe I'm yours, maybe I'm not. I think about it way too much and every single thought is making me. Give me something straight from your heart. All this insecurities.
6.5 hours later.
Hi, so guess who is finally in Sydney, and I'm totally loving this apartment. But first, I'm in Sydney finally and I can't wait to explore. I'm gonna give you guys a tour, definitely. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe, and if you have ideas of where you think I should visit in Sydney, let me know. I'm looking forward to exploring Sydney. So excited, like I can't even catch a breath. Okay, Faith, calm down. Holiday has finally started. Like I said, I'm in Sydney and I'm loving the apartment. It is really close to the Sydney Harbour and I just want to go out and start to explore. But before then, let's do a quick tour of what this apartment looks like. I will be dropping all the details in the description box so that if you're in Sydney and looking for an apartment to stay, then you know that you can also stay here. So let's see what this apartment has to offer, okay? This is the door, and when you walk in, the first thing you see is the bed, which is really simple curtains as well, and there's a table there, a reading table and a reading lamp, and here there's just a couch. And if you come this way, this is the restroom. I'll try to find the lights and turn it on. Yeah, so this is the restroom. And on this side you have like a kitchen situation going on here. So there's like a fridge and a washing machine, I believe, and a kitchen top, a kitchenette just for you to like wash and cook. In some cabinet space up here. And guys, the most exciting part is definitely the view. Let's just go outside and I will show you what I am talking about. So when you walk outside, this is the first view you're taking in. Like I can't literally get over this. And then that's the bay view. I really wanted the Harbour Bridge view and it is on this side. So there's the Harbour view on this, the Harbour Bridge view on this side, and I'm looking forward to see it light up at night. I think it lights up at night, right? Yeah, I'm looking forward to see it light up at night. It will be beautiful. I definitely know that. Like I said, I will put the details of this apartment in the description so that you can check it out if you're looking for where to stay rather when you're in Sydney. I forgot to mention there's also like 2 chairs here just in case you want to sit out and maybe just take the view in or have your breakfast or whatever. I'm totally loving this mirror. First off, it will be really lovely for when you dress up in the morning to check out your full outfit.
Wake up 2 p.m. I don't know where we are. Looks like a cheap motel with our clothes on the floor. I don't know how we ended up here. And we've been flying high. Are we going too far? I got no cash left and I'm losing my job over you. But I don't care about that. But I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll.
So there's a hair shower thing going on here. There's also a tub, just in case you want to soak in the tub, which I really like. This view has to be the best part of this apartment. I literally chose this place because it said it had a view of the harbor bridge and of course the lower bay as well. Like, just imagine waking up every morning to this view and this one. I'm totally loving it. I can't wait for it to get dark so we can see how it lights up at night. I'll go bring my bags upstairs and start to unpack.
Few moments later.
I don't know who I think I am, but these are all my bags. I have no idea why I have this much things, but I am officially an overpacker. Obviously, I'd rather have all my things with me than run out of something that I need. There's this little one as well, plus the other three. In case you're wondering, there's also a pool in the building, and on the other side there's a small gym, just in case you want to get some workout in. And on this side there's just a small sitting area.
I've been chasing you like the tail of a dog. I don't get no sleep when we kiss in the dark like we do. I just love the way it feels. Yeah, I know it's bad, but I can't resist. When I look in your eyes, I don't know what is real. All I know is that I could go anywhere, anywhere, as long as you're
Back out here in the evening just to see what it looks like. The harbor bridge light is still not on. I'm not sure why, but I will be coming out again to see what it looks like if it eventually gets turned on. But yeah, definitely loving this view and looking forward to waking up to this in the morning.
with me. Oh, I'm drunk and I know it, but I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it.
What happened? It's not working.
Yeah, 'cause no one
We're off to go find something to eat for dinner. I will show you guys what we eventually get. Another good thing about staying at Milson is there's a train station just close by. It's called Milson's Point Station. We're trying to get an Opal card, so we're just gonna ask and see if it's available to get here at this time, or maybe we'll come tomorrow morning to make inquiries. Oh, that one. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. So apparently the shop is closed, so we'll probably have to come here tomorrow morning or afternoon to get the Opal card. There's a shop just by the corner that sells it. So now we're going to look for dinner. Oh yeah, so we were supposed to go to Little Lagos today, but it's like 30 minutes from where the accommodation is, and maybe tomorrow we'll go see if we can find some Nigerian food and fill up my tummy. Talk to you guys later. So we finally found ourselves in Woolies, and we're going to see what we can find here. We're hoping to find the Coles, but Woolies seems to be the closest, so we will pick a few things and then head back. There's this mocha brand that I really like from Aldi. I'm trying to see if I can find a substitute here in Woolies.